Here are our garden beds, and we're coming around and replacing with cedar some of the rotted wood. We did have this wood which is rotting, and so we're coming back and we are adding the cedar planks and preparing for next fall. We've got all of that around on down. We've got garlic planted in this bed. This has onions and shallots, so those will overwinter. All of the others are covered up with black plastic. These are our raspberries, but these are being replaced. I'm about to rebuild this garden bed. The side planks had already rotted out on those, so that's going to be the next one that I rebuild. And then I'm going to have to check out the others, and we're getting ready for next spring. This is what some of the wood looks like that has fallen off of the side. It has been eaten up with ants and rotted over time, so all of this will be replaced as well. There you have it. We have traded out the old lumber sides for cedar. Whole purpose behind that is cedar's supposed to last longer, so we're going to see. I did stakes that I stuck down in the ground, and now all we have to do is fill this bed with dirt, and here we go. Only about a dozen or so more, but we'll have her ready for spring.